grocery date, getting food for our meal preps. What is this?
Our grocery date. Because, oh look, don't you like these?
I can't eat that.
What chip should I get? I already did the same shit.
Because what?
Because, but she actually tried to leave me. That's bullshit. Well, let me get. Should I get these?
To another aisle.
I never had these.
How I want you so bad.
Bro. Nah, this is trash. I just want to take it.
We got the protein, not for me. Shrimp.
We got the protein.
The basmati rice,
sushi.
because that's what I can eat. Salsa, I can eat that. Chicken, lots of chicken. Lime, ground turkey. This is not for me. I think it looks disgusting because I don't want it. Sriracha, the staple seasoning.
Wait, they do look disgusting.
Llamas.
Now when I put a hand over it, you yell.
You already know what I'm gonna pick. Yo, what?
You know, it's like when you put a hand over them, it's like, oh.
Only chips I really like are Flamas. Still trying to pick a bag of chips.
Wait. Should I get Estos?
Literally, we did this in the cereal aisle, and he didn't pick any cereal. Was there for like 5 minutes, and now he got a different bag. He's gonna end up with the Flamas. Oh, he's dropped it. Alright, let's see if we can walk out the door like that. He's regretting the Flamas. New chips. Will he change his mind? Bro, can't take him to the store. Never going grocery shopping with him again. Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show y'all how I prepare my protein, mainly just different seasonings and different protein that I eat during prep, and probably what I eat not being in prep. I hate eating the same things every time or the same seasoned things as well, so I try to experiment with stuff, just throw things in together. So here's a video on how I season shrimp, chicken, and ground turkey. I hope y'all enjoy this. Deveined and fresh.
I'm done. And the bag is full too, bro. Great for pre-workout.
This is so good. Everybody needs it in their fridge. And I ran out.
Oh, this is not a good shake. It has a saturated fat of 1 gram.
Wow, 1 gram.
It is a pasta shake though. Babe, no.
What?
I was gonna say butter, garlic.
I can't eat butter.
Well, olive oil, garlic. That makes some great.
I am gonna put all of that oil here.
See, you're taking this sauce too serious. Like,
what sauce thing?
The sriracha, there's other sauces you can use.
Like what?
Bro, literally you can use olive oil if you wanted to. Literally you can use the soy sauce if you wanted to. The orange sauce.
I can't use orange sauce.
Well, you get a different flavor. That little sriracha shit.
You know what? You can make your own shit.
I'm trying to help you out, learn how to cook.
I told you no, I can't cook with a lot of stuff. This is what I cook with.
I know olive oil.
You swear I like pick what I want? No.
No, olive oil is healthier than olives. Just saying. Tenía un motor que estaba feo en mi troca, lo iba a llevar ahorita, pero se me ponchó la llanta, entonces la voy a traer en reca. Entonces quería asegurar que la puedo hacer en tiempo. Bueno, muchas gracias.
Then
Digo
this is like
que cierren a las 7.
garlic seasoning.
No, porque dice a las 6. Dijo, si la traes antes de las 7, te la tomamos.
Okay, bet. Hopefully they get here.
No diga más, primo. Aquí estamos nomás. Sí, pues le quería traer una camioneta. Dice mi tío que usted los arregla y les pone calibares por acá, por allá. No, sí, aquí tocó una colombiana que dice que sabe todo. No, no. No, pues sí, primo. ¿Cómo que no, primo? Venga para acá usted, primito. Pinche primito.
It needs some.
While I leave the shrimp cooking, I'll go ahead and start cutting the chicken so that when the shrimp's done, I already have this chicken seasoned and I'll go ahead and put it in the stove. So this next recipe may seem a little weird of a combination, but I promise you it's so good. Once I made it the first time, I kept making it because it's so good. Trust me, just make it. completely with the sauce I just did. So even in here to get basically whatever was extra in there. I'm gonna do a little bit of peach sauce. And we'll do some lemon. So how I had done it with the bowl, I got the extra sauce. I was trying to do the same thing with the pan here. That's why I didn't clean out the pan or anything. I wanted to get those extra flavors from the sauce of the previous chicken. Once that one was done cooking, I added the next chicken to start the next recipe. And lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and do this ground turkey. I always go for 99% lean and 1% fat. So lastly, this is how I cook my potatoes. Well, one way how I cook them. I boiled them first, which I forgot to show y'all. But yeah, so I boiled them first and then I'll show you how I season them here. Another way that I season them is by using that chili garlic sriracha sauce that I bought in the beginning, and I just pour that over a little bit. So that's another way how to season the potatoes as well. I didn't include vegetables in this video because I was tired of cooking, but definitely go for the greener ones because those will have more fiber and more nutrients. I do eat them in every single one of my meals.